What's up, guys? So, hope you guys been enjoying this fishing videos that have been going on. Right now, we have a storm that's supposedly rolling in. So we're taking that as an advantage to get some stuff done on the boat. So I drop it out. There's 7 bolts, 6 here, 1 here. It's hidden under the exhaust. It is a 1978 Chrysler Charger Outboard, 140 horsepower. So it is ancient. So the impeller, gasket, seal, I'm going to do a different gasket, but I ordered one. So it is over here. So here's the old one. It's pretty beat up. It's having a problem overheating and then not wanting to start and fire up. She's just getting a little too hot. But I cleaned all that out as best I can. I'm trying to do it as cheap as I can, but as efficient as I can, because it looks pretty chewed up in there. And I should probably replace it because it looks like it sucked up some sand, and it might affect that, but I'm just going to put an impeller on it, let it ride. It's 45 years old, so it's doing pretty good. Eventually, I'll put the time and money into it, but I'm only going to be using this boat for a few years and then trade in for another. Here's the thermostat. So the thermostat works and whatnot. So you put the boiling water, it opened, and it just took a long time to close when it was cooling. And I felt like it needed to close a little bit faster. So there's something in here that's worn out. It is a 110. Says it there, and then also says it right there. So I ordered one of those, and then also this seal's all bad. But then I cleaned it up on the motor, and then cleaned off all the old gasket on here. And this is what I was talking about. I made my own gasket. This is for water. Trying to save a few bucks because shipping is killing everyone. You order a $10 part and that's $10 to ship it, and it weighs nothing. I don't understand that. So I got that on the way. I got this impeller on the way, and then I just need to make a new gasket like this one on the bottom, because this one's all worn out. So this top part's metal, so we're good on that. And then the impeller spins on here. It looks a little worn right here. I'm just looking at it. See that? It's probably from that part just constantly rubbing. I don't know if it's ever been changed. Maybe once in its lifetime, but we're gonna change it in this part. So then this goes up into your motor. And then, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. But the motor is torn to pieces, and we are wanting to go fishing on Monday. So I think I'm going to put my 35 horse back on the boat for the day, or I might just run 3 batteries and run my trolling motor all day. But we won't have this on the boat, actually, you know. I'm just going to leave it propped up. And then, yeah, I mean, hopefully, I think that's what we're going to do, because we want to hit the lake because it's supposed to be really nice. And if you haven't seen in the last video, trout have been slaying it. So we're going to get that posted. Alright guys, so I just want to give you an update on my motor. So currently I do have the parts. Here's the new impeller, and then here is the new thermostat. So thermostat didn't come with a new seal, which is dog doo-doo. But I ended up going fishing, which will be the next video you guys see. And all I did is took the old impeller. It was worn from spinning one direction constantly, so I flipped it upside down and now it spins the other direction, and it's like snug, like brand new. And then put some new seals on it because I have some of that stuff for water. I mean, worst case, I can make a couple new ones to put the new ones in. But now it's running just fine. I've gone out that time I went, and then I went out another time, but I didn't catch anything. So I didn't film anything. I filmed like an intro, but there was nothing to put for a video. So I've taken it out twice now. It's been running really good. No problems of overheating, and all I did was flip the part upside down and scrape out some of the hard water buildup. And so I just wanted to throw that in there, give you guys an update. I do plan on fixing a lot of things beginning of next summer, which you guys can stay tuned for that. But yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Peace. Alright, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to go fishing here soon. So, give it a like. Be much appreciated. Alright, guys. Peace.